50. It was behind me. It did come out. Luckily I had these red lights. YouTube! Welcome back to my channel. It's the Top Velocity. Chilling on a Friday. Taking a little ride. So let's go! What's these guys doing? I'll be checking email. All right. Woo! Haven't been on in a while. Just got back from vacation down at Ocean City, Maryland. We go there every year with the fam. It's all love. If you've never been down there, you got to go. Honestly, I think it's better than the Jersey Shore. Boardwalk, amusement parks, water parks. Great hotels, not motels, but hotels. Now I'm back. Have a little fun on the bike. Doing a little Bronx River running. Little Bronx River running.
Excuse me, coming through. Yo, the guy in the white van don't look too happy. Oh shit. Yo, let me quick shift it. Yow. Peace. Yo, this is some really nice roads out here, man. This is actually 22. We're not on the Bronx River anymore, but this is 22. And they got some nice corners. And you can really get loose out here. But I'm not too familiar with it. I've been on it a few times, but I think the more I ride it, the better I'm gonna get. Oh shit, I see the guy in the white van. That's crazy. He's trying to keep up with me. Let me be out. I can't let a van pass me. That's crazy.
Raining out here, man. It's raining. I got caught in the rain, yo. Shit.
Yo, let me slow down a little bit. It's raining out here. It's not raining, but it's drizzling. And my exit's coming up soon, so... And this exit's crazy, man. It's a downhill exit. Watch the shit. Here it comes. Yo, if you took this fast, you could probably get some air off of it. It's crazy.
Shit. Hope this fucking stops, man. Excuse me. Oh man, I hate riding in the rain. Fucking stings. Nice. It's a nice fucking car, man. That's an M4. Why I keep running into M's? I think it's just because I'm destined to have one. I'm destined to have one.
I think I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you to all the subscribers. Thank you to all those that are watching. Please subscribe. And peace. Be safe out there.